Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to share a text story on the Facebook app while using your PC. With the latest update, Facebook has made it even easier to create and post stories directly from your computer. So let's walk through it together, step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once it loads, you'll land on the homepage. At the top of your feed, look for the section that says Create a Story. Click on it, and a new window will appear where you can choose the type of story you want to make. Now, select Create a Text Story. This option lets you share words instead of photos or videos, perfect for a simple status, a thought, or even a quick quote. After that, you'll see a text box appear on the left side of your screen. This is where you can type out whatever message you want to share. It could be something inspirational, a personal update, or just something fun for your friends to see. Once your text is ready, it's time to get creative. Look below or to the side of the text box to find customization options. You can choose your font, switch between different styles, and experiment until you find one that suits your mood or message. Then, pick a background color or design that makes your story stand out. Facebook offers several vibrant options, from solid colors to gradients and patterns, so you can really make it your own. Take a quick look to make sure everything looks just the way you want it. When you're happy with how it appears, go ahead and click Share the Story. Facebook will post it instantly, and your friends will be able to see your text story at the top of their feed. And that's it. You've just created a text story on Facebook using your PC. It's fast, simple, and a great way to share your thoughts creatively. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more guides like this.